Well, here's the aftermath of that cleaning. This is what the coil looks like. I might soak it one more time just to get that little residue off of there, right there. And they're cleared out, but they just have a black growth on them, like a mold or something like that that was growing on them. Because their entrance point is all the dirt and dust come down through here into the open grill up there. That's just a vent with no filtration at all. So this is a cleaner. This is a wood chipper. So this is a lot of organic on dusty days where you have the dust fly and you're chipping wood, and you have all organic matter being sucked right into there, coating the coil. And then they have the street sweepers where they make the dust in front of the vehicle. And if you ever watched a street sweeper on a little bit of a windy day or a dry day, and you've seen all the dust just roll up and it gets sucked right into the cabin. And basically the vehicles that don't have cabin air filters like this, the evaporator becomes your cabin air filter. All right, next one.